that everyone will like. As it is the lockdown, we can't go outside to have our favorite cakes. So now we can make a delicious and yummy cake at home. It's healthy too. So the ingredients are Oreo biscuits, baking powder, and milk. I'm going to cook the cake in a microwave. So for that we need a microwave safe utensil. So I'm using this glass bowl. We have to grease it with ghee, butter or oil. So I have broken my Oreos into pieces. Now we have to put it in a blender. As we put all our Oreo pieces into the blender, we have to blend the Oreos into a fine powder. We have to take it out and see if it's a fine powder. As we all know, we crush the Oreo biscuits and put them into a blender one by one, and we got a fine powder. So now we have to add the milk little by little. Then we have to mix it. We added the milk and we have to mix it until we get a smooth batter. And the consistency should be like this, not very runny, it should be like this. Then we have to put half tablespoon of baking powder. We have to mix it. I'm going to grease the vessel with ghee. Vessel. Now we have to put the butter paper. Then we have to grease it again. After greasing, we have to put the cake mixture. we evenly spread around. After tap it, so it's evenly spread. It's ready. So we have to put it in the microwave. We on the microwave and we have to put it in the microwave. After 5 minutes, we have to check on the cake if it's ready. This is my yummy cake. So, it's not ready to eat because it's too hot. So, to check if it's done, you have to insert a toothpick like this. And if it's clear, we can say that it's ready. And if there is some particles present in it, we could keep the cake for 1 minute again. After it cools down, we could decorate with anything like chocolates, sprinkles, wafers. We could do anything. We could apply many things. See, this is how I decorated my cake with chocolate syrup. For decoration, I added cashew nuts and sprinkles. Thank you. Enjoy this cake. You better try this at home. I hope you like it.